Hello again everyone. It's me again, Anne. And to this video, we will going to cook this yummy squid. Welcome to my channel, Crop Arts and Daily Vlog by Anne. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you have notification in all video that I am going to upload. So let's cook now. So I clean my squid and I boiled it. So just simply no need to put water. You just need to put the squid in the frying pot and heat it. And as you can see, the water comes from the squid. So I don't want it in my recipe. So that's why I boiled it and strain it to let go the water. So now it's dry and let's stir fry our squid. So dry. So I don't want watery sauce. So that's why I boil it for a minute and before I frying it. So now let's fry. So now let's stir fry our squids. As you can see, I put oil in my frying pot and put in my garlic shallots or onions and my ginger. So just stir it up and wait until light brown. And then so I have here chili paste, which is I always use it in my cooking. This chili paste is so good, and add a spoon or a spoon and a half, depends how spicy you like. So now I will add my squid. So squid doesn't need to cook so long, so it quick cook so that it's not chewy, because if you cook it so long time, the squid become chewy in texture, hard to eat. So now I add white pepper, black pepper, oyster sauce, and sugar, a pinch of sugar to level up the taste, because I don't use any other artificial flavors. So only that oyster sauce and sugar, and also no salt, because I add what is that, chili powder, to add more hot. So just stir it well and cook for a while, and our squid is ready to eat. So as I say, that squid doesn't need to cook so long. So I add more chili. This recipe is 3 times hot, but it's so yummy. You can eat a lot of rice when you cook this kind of recipe. So just stir it to let go the water. So now it's ready to serve. Yum yum. A squid is so expensive here in Hong Kong, I bought it for $60 only for this much, not much squid, but it's okay. Thank you all for watching. God bless.